AntiqSnap app, Antique ID and value. So this is another kind of AI app where you can identify value and organize your collection. Simply snap a photo to instantly recognize any antique, check trusted market prices, get grading suggestion, and send to your digital collection. So if you have some antiques, you have some vases, I don't know, some furniture, something which is like some 100 years old, some vintage stuff. You can just try to use this app and get some ideas. Maybe it's actually super worth thing. Of course, this app is not like super yeah, it's not like 100% correct, but it can give you an idea if there are some so for example some markings, some factory markings on some dishes, whatever. Then yeah, it can recognize quite nicely. But yeah, very often it's not that precise, but yeah, quite cool app. So and then you can just try it out. So that's kind of the idea. There is 7 days free trial. There is also 1 month. So that's what you can get.